Fire in a hole, let's cook some chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going for you today is some sweet and sour grilled chicken. When you see this recipe, you're going to freak out. It's the easiest thing in the world. All you need is some chili sauce. This is 12 ounces of chili sauce. We're going to dump that in a bowl. I've got some chicken parts. The whole bottle of chili sauce in there. That's 12 ounces of chili sauce. Okay, we got that in there. Set that aside. Then we've got some grape jelly. Just some generic grape jelly. You want an equal amount of grape jelly to chili sauce. So we've got chili sauce and grape jelly in equal amounts, about 12 ounces of each. And let me tell you what, this is an old catering trick. When you want to make sweet and sour meatballs or sweet and sour anything you want to make into a sweet and sour dish, you just mix up this chili sauce and grape jelly like this. Now if you're cooking this in a crock pot or an air fryer, you don't have to marinate it, but because I'm cooking it on the grill, I want to marinate it ahead of time. In fact, I'm going to marinate it overnight. But I want to mix this up good. Chili sauce and grape jelly, that's all there is to it. I'm not even going to put any of my rub on the chicken. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy some of my rub. But there's no rub on the chicken. There's no nothing except well mixed up grape jelly and chili sauce. That's all there is to it. I got some breasts here. I'm going to cut a couple of slices into the breasts. Cut a couple of slices with my Macarto super sharp knife. Get them into that marinade. I got a couple of legs. I'm going to cut a couple of slices into the legs so that the marinade can penetrate. Cut a couple of slices into your legs. Like so. I got some thighs, some bone-in, skin-on thighs. They're the best. Cut a few slices into that. Another leg. This couldn't be any easier. And like I said, if you want to do this in the air fryer, booger, you don't even have to marinate it. You just throw this in the air fryer like that. But because I'm going to grill these for that extra layer of flavor, I want to marinate this overnight. So that's all there is to it. Grape jelly, chili sauce. We're going to mix this all up good. Get it all marinated up in there. Going to put some plastic wrap on there. Stick it in the fridge overnight. Look at that. Look at that. Could that be any easier? Could that be any easier? Sandra, you could do this. Anybody could do this. Grape jelly and chili sauce. 12 ounces of chili sauce, 12 ounces of grape jelly. Because I'm grilling this, I got an extra bottle of chili sauce because I'm going to make a glazing sauce for it. I don't want to use this sauce that's on the chicken because it touched the raw chicken, so I don't want to use that. But I'm going to marinate that overnight, and then tomorrow we'll get this on the grill and cook it up. So stay tuned. Okay, my grill is up to temperature. I've got my well marinated chicken parts right here. We're going to arrange them on the grill. Get them on there like so. And oh, that marinade is really something. It couldn't be any easier. You know what I mean? And it's the chicken's going to be very moist and delicious, I think. Get that on there. Get them thighs on there. Legs and thighs. Thighs are the best. Legs are good. Thighs are better, I think. Get my thighs on there. Of course, we got the skinless, boneless for the people who have to have that sort of thing. Me, I like them thighs. I got my chicken on the grill. We're going to discard this marinade. I'm going to make up a glazing sauce in case I need to brush it on there. It doesn't look like I'm going to have to, but we'll see. Anyway, we're going to close the cover on that and let that cook. Probably take about 30 minutes, and we'll take a look at it and glaze it. Probably take an hour total. So stay tuned. We'll eat some chicken and drink some beer. Stay tuned. My sweet and sour grilled chicken looks amazing. I'm gonna flip these pieces over to get some even cooking on them. And I'm gonna hit them with this sauce glaze that I made from the grape jelly and chili sauce mixture. Let me get these flipped over. Oh yeah, look at that one. That one's looking good. I'll move that baby over there. Move him over here. And I'm going to hit this with this glaze that I made. You can't use the marinade because, you know, it touched the raw chicken, but you can do this glaze on here with some more of that chili sauce and grape jelly. Alright, let me get that. That's looking good, huh? Oh man. Let me get this glazed up. Won't be long now. We'll be eating. It'll be time to eat. So let me get that done. Bring you right back. We'll have a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My chicken is done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer. This is the Rise Guys PI Pilsner. The best beer on the planet, according to 93.3 Planet Rocks. Apparently, 93.3 Planet Rocks is a radio station, and these guys are probably the morning show guys. Anyway, I got this beer from a dude named Adam C., whose channel used to be called Let's Try It Barbecue, but YouTube decided they didn't like that name, and they made him change it to Adam C. But I'm hoping he'll get his name changed back again. Change it back to Let's Try It Barbecue. Adam, thank you for the beer, buddy. It's looking good. It's a beautiful light colored Pilsner, which is what Budweiser's supposed to be and isn't. But anyway, let me move that over a little bit so I can get a nice thumbnail. The Rise Guys PI Pilsner, the best beer on the planet, 93.3 Planet Rock. Planet Rocks. Planet Rock's apparently a radio station somewhere, 93.3. I don't know where Adam lives. I forgot. He told me and I forgot. Anyway, that's a nice Pilsner. It's a beautiful, light-colored Pilsner. Let's take a sniff of that, Lassa. What do you think? It smells very good. It's kind of light. What's the ABV on this? 5% alcohol, 12 ounces from the Thomas Creek Brewery. Thomas Creek Brewery made this Rise Guys Pilsner. Let's quaff the froth off it, Lassa. I'm ready. That's pretty good. It's 5% alcohol, and you really can't tell it. I'll tell you. It's it's fairly light tasting. You can't taste the alcohol at all, and it doesn't have much of a body to it. It's very light colored, light tasting. It's very good beer. Thank you, Adam. I hope you get your name changed back to Let's Try It Barbecue. But if I know YouTube, they'll hold out to the last minute. Let's get this chicken over here and get a taste of it. How's that look? That's my sweet and sour chicken. I'm gonna get me a leg right here. It's probably hot. Probably still hot, but I still want to taste some of it. Check that out. Let me get a bite of that. Oh, that's great. You get that sticky, sweet and sour glaze on there. It's excellent and so easy. Huh, that's great. Couldn't be any easier. So that's my video, babies. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see Let's Try It Barbecue. His temporary name is Adam C. Until YouTube gets their act together and straightens it out, it'll be Adam C. That's my sweet and sour chicken. It couldn't be any easier or any better. It's a great recipe. Hope you try it. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And I encourage everyone to send me beers if they want to see their beer on the Root Boy Cooks. Adam sent me this one, and it's awesome. It's an awesome Pilsner, Adam. Thank you. And yeah, okay. So come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And we will be back next week with another exciting episode of the Root Boy Cooks. Bye.